Oh wow, what an epic experience out here in Abu Dhabi. Big shout out to Yas Marina Circuit for bringing me out here for this project. It's been insane to finally experience the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, see those crazy Formula 1 cars in action. These are just ridiculous, man. Damn. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, if you want to see more content like this. And if you want to experience the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix this year, I've got some tickets to give away. So if you want to snag those, all you gotta do is follow myself and Yas Marina Circuit on Instagram. Leave a comment down below telling us why you want them. And damn, just look at this place. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.